Hello, good day, everyone. Welcome to Komai Business and Utility App. Right about now, I want to talk about using the delivery services that is available on the platform. Let me give an instance. I want to place an order with a vendor that is not on the platform, but I want to use the platform to get my goods delivered from vendor to me. So if, for example, let me go to under delivery services and see the services available, and you click on it and you wait. These are the services available. We have the food and drink delivery. We have the small package. We have the package delivery. We have grocery. We have moving services. We have parcel delivery. It depends on what you want. Let's say, for example, I stay around Zoo Road and there's a particular restaurant around Adija Road, for example, I like to eat. But unfortunately, this time around, I'm around Zoo Road. I can't go to Adija Road, but I still want to, for example, get a food from that restaurant, and the restaurant is not on the application on Komai. So I can simply, because I have a relationship with them, I call them for the order and I tell them I'm sending a logistic person to come pick it up. So how do I get a logistic company to pick it up? Using the application Komai. Simply click on the food and drink and click on next. Pick location. Let's say now I'm picking it from, already I have the address on my phone. I'm picking it from, let me see, from, let's say, Adija Road, for example, which is Adija Road in Kano. For those listening to this tutorial, they are not in Kano. So let's say, for example, it's at Adija Road. I click on Yankaba or whatever. To where is my location? My location is, let me just randomly pick, let me see. These addresses are addresses I've already saved because I use them one or two things. Let's say I'm at Bristol, for example, and I want this person to bring this thing from that point to Bristol. If I want them to branch through other places, for example, branch another store, I can add stores. You understand? Okay, I want them to pass through Savungeri and get me some bottle of wine. All the same, you can add the store and it automatically calculates. But let me stick with those two places, one point to another, without adding additional point. Move to next. Automatically, the platform search. You see the search. It tells you there's a company called Delivery Aid, there is One Stop Logistics, there is Moji Logistics, and more to come. You understand? So all this set of companies render these services. If, for example, I click on One Logistics still offer the service. I can schedule my order. You understand? I click on next. And now this time around, in Yankaba, who do I call? I can see Mama G, for example, and the phone number is, you understand, from example, and I can put instruction, you understand, whatever it is, or leave it blank, you understand. Then if you come to Bristol, either you meet me or I want you to meet somebody, or probably I'm making this order on behalf of someone, and I can now put the phone number. So this automatically gives the rider information to use. Then next, simply food, this company, you understand, and you say next. Simple next step is it calculates and it tells you the distance between where the food is to where you're bringing it is like 7 point something kilometers, and this is the fee with the tax and whatever. Total fee round up to 600 naira. So you make money via your wallet, for example, or you pay via what they call Paystack, you understand, or any payment gateway available. So this is how you can place order. And mind you, it's not just only food. Let's say, let me come back again and place order for like maybe small packages. Okay, small packages that between 0 to like 5 kg, from example. And location, I can pick location from the map, or I can say, okay, I'm adding new location. Just click on new, and I said maybe this place is Yankura. You understand? I want them to pick something from Yankura and come here. And if you need to have the address, now what do I do? Yankura Kano. You understand? So let's say you have the name of the organization, for example, you pick it up there. You pick the name of the organization up. You can put description for easy identification of this one. Now you are saving it on your phone. You understand? Look at this Yankura. You click on it, and to where? I have a list already. Let me say, okay, like to BUK, for example. I'm sending this to BUK, and I say, okay, next. And the only company available that render this particular service at this time is a delivery aid. I can click on delivery aid and next. And if you go to Yankura, please call Bala, for example, and this is his phone number. You understand? It's just an example phone number, and you can put for the instruction. When you get there, ask for this. Like for example, when you can just simply say, when you get there, ask for this. That just give an instruction if it needs an instruction. And the good thing is that I don't want to pick from my phone number. You can pick from your phone number. For privacy purposes, I don't want to use this because I will expose other phone numbers that are not supposed to be exposed. And if you get to BUK, call, for example, this, and you give the phone number 2, and then you say next. You understand? And you see all the details, for example. And I can go back and say, no, just Yankura, for example. So sorry, I want you to go to 2 different places. Let's say, for example, this is person from Yankura. Let's go again. From Yankura. Let's go again quickly. So I pick Yankura to bring it for me to BUK, for example. And I say add shop. I want it to pass through another place. You understand? I want it to pass through another place. I want it to drop at maybe probably New Road, for example. You can add more. I want it to pass through, come through to like, for example, let's come to like Zoo Road, for example, and you say next. You understand? So, and delivery aids over the services. So other delivery companies too can be on board. And from Yankaba is Gali. You understand? And this phone number is this, for example. And if you say next, it will ask you to give other people's information too for easy. Then you put phone numbers, so that the delivery man always have all the contact of all the places you want them to pass through, and give their phone number as well for easy communication. You understand? And the person making the sending, you understand, you give the phone number too for easy identification, and you click on next, and it shows you the small package, and give you all the details and all the addresses from one point to another, and you click on next, and you wait for the platform to calculate your bill. Sorry, this video is getting longer. Then you see the total distance is 29 kilometers, and it's run at this price, for example. And and again, there is always prices for different shops, so it depends on what it is. Then you will just press and make payment. You understand? I hope this is clear and understanding, so you can as well just start sending other logistic company instead of you struggling. I don't have the contact, I don't have the phone number of the logistic company. Download your application Komai and see how you can use it to run your logistics errand. English. All right, thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Take care.